Hello guys, in today's tutorial we will see the use of COUNTIF and COUNTIFs function. So if you are learning this function, you must be aware about the count function. If you don't know the use of count function, please go through my previous tutorial and study about the count function. So in short, I am telling you about the count function. Count function is used to count the number of entry, and in that information only number must be there, because the count function doesn't count the character. Okay, so now we discuss about the COUNTIF and COUNTIF. Sometime you want to count the number. Okay, you want to count a series of number. Suppose you want to count such number, but you don't want to count each and every number. You want to count only specific number which satisfy particular criteria or condition. Then in that case you have to use COUNTIF or COUNTIFs. If your criteria, you are having only one criteria or condition while counting, then you have to use COUNTIF. If you are having more criteria, more condition while counting number, then you have to use COUNTIFs. So now we directly start doing. So suppose you want to count number, okay, then you have to use COUNTIF. Okay, now once you open the bracket, you are getting two parameter, range and criteria. So here I want to specify this range. This is the range, comma. Second one is condition. So I want to count where we are having only character S. Okay, so your criteria equal to S. Closing bracket. Let's see answer. So 2, because we have 2 times S. Then second one is equals to COUNTIF. So in the previous function we use criteria equal to S. Okay, so here I am using again same range, comma, we use equals to S. So here I am using double quote. So in place of equal you can directly write yes, but here I am using small s. Now you can check whether it is case sensitive or not. Answer is 2, means in place of capital S, here it is capital S, so you can write small s also. Okay, small letter, capital letter doesn't matter here. Here you can check, I use condition equal yes. Here it is directly I have written yes, so both are perfectly valid and it is not case sensitive. Understood? Now here we are going to use COUNTIFs function. So here in the COUNTIF function you can observe the syntax, range criteria, range criteria. In this way you can use many criteria. So equal COUNTIFs. So here I want to specify first this range, and then my condition is, here our condition is equals to S. Okay, this is my condition. Then after that I want to specify this criteria. I want to specify this range. Okay, so that is my second range, and here the criteria is, so you observe how many yes are there, 2 yes are there. Okay, so here yes belong to 1 value, second yes belong to 2 value. So I want to count only value which is greater than 1. So you can use greater than 1. So it is having 2 criteria. First range means that value should be equal to yes, and second range means greater than 1. So our answer should be 1. Because why 1? Because yes is 1, that is not greater than 1, and this second yes value is 2, that is greater than 1. So that's why our answer is 1. So in this way, if you want to put more than one range and each range having particular criteria, then in that case you have to use COUNTIFs in Excel. So I hope friend, through this example you understood now COUNTIF and COUNTIFs in Excel. So if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.